Trying to pick a side hustle in 2025 is like playing a game of roulette, where your probability of losing is higher than you winning. Because with so many side hustles out there, it's hard to even know which one is legit and which one is a scam. And so in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the 7 realistic side hustles anyone can start in 2025, even if you have zero experience, a small budget, and a busy schedule. I'll walk you through each one with real examples, and I'll also share a one-page quick start PDF guide for each of the side hustles that you can use to just get started. These are not get quick rich schemes, they're practical, proven ways to start building a real income this year. Because just a few years ago, I sat exactly where you sit, working a 9 to 5, feeling stuck, struggling to keep up with the bills, and waiting for a raise that never came. But since leaving my job in 2020 and building my businesses, I have made over $2 million online. Now with that all out of the way, let's begin with the first realistic side hustle. Now this is a side hustle that I can put my lifeline on and tell you that it's one of the most simplest and easiest to get your first sale from, even if you're just getting started. If you go to Google and type in sell on Amazon and click on the first link, sell on Amazon is where you can sign up to sell products on Amazon. Now I want to clarify something here. You don't have to create and sell your own products on Amazon. Rather, there are tons of branded products which you can simply buy in bulk from a wholesale supplier and sell these on Amazon for a profit. For example, if I go on Amazon and type in something like Dove soap, Dove soaps. And I go on this listing, which is making roughly 1,000 sales a month. As you can see, there are 9 different sellers selling this exact product, making money. However, the reason why I say this is the most easiest to get your first sale from is because anytime someone adds this product to cart and orders it, Amazon is the one who will pick, pack, and ship the product to your customer, while you as a seller do absolutely nothing, which makes this a perfect side hustle if you have a busy schedule and you want to make an extra income online. Now, if you have zero clue about how to set up your Amazon account, how to ship a product to Amazon, how to find products, well, you can thank me later, because I have a bunch of videos on my YouTube which you can go watch after this video, which literally shows you step by step exactly how to do this. Or if you want my personal help, I'll leave links in the description that you can check out. Along with that, you will also find a one-page Amazon FBA quick start PDF, just like I promised at the start of the video, which will give you step-by-step instructions on how to get your first sale in your first 30 days of doing this. Moving on to the second realistic side hustle, which is one of my favorite and honestly super underrated, which is Vinted reselling. Vinted reselling. Here's how easy it is to get started. Just grab your phone and download the Vinted app. By the way, just a heads up, none of the tools or apps that I'm mentioning in this video are sponsored. I'm just showing what actually works, and none of these tools are paying me. Anyway, once you've got the app, go around your house and start with what you already have. Old clothes, sneakers, jackets, or anything that is old and you don't usually wear, or even branded and you're just not wearing it at all. However, in order to turn this into an actual side hustle, once you run out of clothes, then you can hit up local charity stores on the weekends and look for some branded products like Nike, Levi, or any other retro brands that you can buy for cheaper, and then you can flip them for a higher price on Vinted. I kid you not, I've seen people flip products they buy for £5 to £50 plus. And the best part is, Vinted doesn't even take seller fees in some countries, which means more profit in your pocket. Plus, Vinted also takes care of the shipping fees, so as soon as someone buys it, all you have to do is print the label and ship it off to the customer. Now, if you're thinking, Jatz, I've never sold anything online, don't worry, the app is super beginner friendly. All you do is take clean photos, write a simple description of the product size, the color, or any other description, and set your prices, then list it. That's it. Once it sells, print out the label and ship it off to the customer. And to make this even easier for you, in the one-page Vinted quick start PDF, it will show you what to look for, where to find it, and how to list it for the best chances of selling. The third realistic side hustle is the one that is blowing up right now, and you already probably heard of it or seeing it without even you realizing. If you go to Google right now and type in something like TikTok shop water bottle or TikTok shop kitchen gadgets, you're going to find short videos from everyday people showing off random products, and in the bottom right corner of the video, you will see a little shopping bag icon. That's TikTok shop affiliate in action. These creators aren't making or holding inventory. They just record a 15-second video showing off a product, and when someone clicks on that bag and buys it, they get paid a commission. Now, I actually tried this for a while and made over £200 from just posting videos. You can sign up as an affiliate through the TikTok shop creator portal, Choose a product that you want to promote and post short videos around them. Now, you can even request free samples from sellers, so you don't even have to pay anything to buy. But if you're thinking, I have no idea what to say in these videos, and what if nobody watches? Well, you don't need to stress, because you don't need a huge following. All you need is a good few videos and a right product. Here are a few examples on the screen to give you some inspirations. And to help you even further, inside the free one-page TikTok Shop Affiliate Quick Start PDF guide, it will walk you through exactly how to set up your affiliate account, request a product, and post your first video. Now, the next side hustle is perfect if you're even a little bit creative or you're good at making things on your computer, because digital products are one of the best ways to build passive income, where you create something once and sell it over and over again, even when you are sleeping, without worrying about shipping, inventory, or even handling customer directly. Let me give you a real example. If you go to Etsy right now and search in something like wedding invitation templates or budget planner Google Sheet, you will see digital products that are selling from $5, $10, or even $50. And they don't have to print or post anything. The customer downloads the file instantly, and the seller gets paid 100% of the profits after the Etsy fees. And it's not just wedding stuff. People are selling Notion templates, resume designs, printable wall art, fitness trackers, journal and planners, Instagram story packs, meal prep templates, literally anything that helps people save time or look better. So if you know how to use tools like Canva, Google Docs, or Notion, you already have what you need to start. You don't need to be a designer. You just need to solve a problem with a simple digital product. And if you're still thinking, I don't even know what to make, the Quick Start PDF guide for this side hustle shows you 10 product ideas that you can create this weekend, free tools to help you build them, and where to list them. All right, the next realistic side hustle is if you want to make money online without learning a skill or showing your face or even creating content. It's called service arbitrage, where you're basically the middleman. Here's how it works. You first offer a service online, things like logo design, video editing, website creation, funnel building, or whatever. But you don't do the work yourself. Instead, you find a freelancer who charges less, and you let them deliver the work while you keep the difference. So let me give you a simple example. Let's say you list a website design with 24-hour service delivery on Fiverr for $200. Now, when someone places an order, you go to freelance sites like People Per Hour, Upwork, or even Facebook groups, and you pay someone or find someone who you can pay $100, $50 to design the website, and then you can send that to the client and you keep the difference. So if you paid someone $100 to do it and someone paid you $200, you can make $100 by just being the middleman. And if you're thinking, is this even legit? Well, yes, this is a business model in itself. This works because clients are paying you for the speed, trust, and convenience, not because they care who actually makes the website. And you don't just have to use Fiverr. You can post services on Upwork, on your own website, or you can even DM businesses directly. The only real skill here is being able to spot good freelancers and communicate clearly with your clients. That's it. If you're good at making people feel taken care of, this side hustle is for you. Plus, to help you out further in this side hustle, inside the free one-page service arbitrage quick start PDF, I have given 5 profitable services you can start with, where to find cheap, high-quality freelancers, and my simple message template to land your first client. Now, the next realistic side hustle may sound boring, but it is the smartest side hustle you can start right now. It's simply starting a newsletter. And no, you don't need to be good at writing to start this, because now you can use ChatGPT to write for you. Plus, you can start your newsletter for free, build it slowly, and eventually get paid for just sending emails. Simply head over to this website called Beehive, which is a free platform where you can build your newsletter. Then you can choose to write by picking a niche that you're interested in, like finance, fitness, fashion, dog training, music, whatever. Inside these newsletters, you can share your personal journey where you share free value, just like I do with business. Or a real gold mine is where you share weekly free discount codes or anything valuable that people would want to subscribe to, where they can benefit by just subscribing to your newsletter. Morning Brew is a newsletter that just sent a daily email with a summary of the top news of the day, so you don't have to waste time reading the news. And it was started by this guy while he was in uni, and later he went ahead and sold it for $75 million. But here's the best part. You don't even have to wait to sell it until you make money, because you can start making through sponsorships, which is basically brands paying you to get featured onto your newsletter, affiliate links, which is just product links where you get a commission if someone buys through that link, or even your own digital products or services that you want to sell later down the line. Now, even if you only get 100 subscribers, That's 100 people who have said, yes, I want to hear from you. And if you're thinking, how do I even get 100 subscribers? I've got you. In the quick start guide for this side hustle, I've shared 5 newsletter topics that you can start with, the free tools I recommend, and how you can get your first 50 subscribers. Now, the last realistic side hustle is if you are someone like me who likes teaching, explaining, or documenting things. And before you click away, no, you don't have to be a full-time YouTuber or have fancy cameras or be super entertaining. What I'm talking about is starting a niched YouTube channel where you make videos around one focused topic and build an audience that actually wants what you share. Now, I'll be real with you, this side hustle won't make you rich overnight, but if you stick to it, it can become the highest paying income stream of everything that I mentioned in this video. I personally have made over $200,000 from doing this because with YouTube, you get paid in multiple ways. The first one is ad revenue, where YouTube literally pays you for the views you get. Second is affiliate links, where in the YouTube video description, you could leave product links that can pay you commission every time someone buys it. Third is brand sponsorships. And fourth is your own product or services as well. And the best part of all is a niched channel grows faster and starts making more money per view than vlogs or entertainment content. Here's a few examples of niched channels. The first one is Ed Lawrence. He's a guy who just makes videos about how you as a business owner can make more money using YouTube, get more clients using YouTube, and just everything around YouTube growth and getting clients and making money from YouTube. The second channel is called Digital Craft Mastery, where literally all they do is make videos around how to use Canva to create certain things, and it's just around Canva. So now every time someone searches up to go learn how to use Canva, they will pop up and they will start getting views for the tutorial. Plus, it's an evergreen video, meaning these type of videos will always keep getting views over the long term. So you don't need to go viral, you just need to be helpful, searchable, and consistent. You can record on your phone, edit with free apps like CapCut, and you can start with what you already have. And to help you get started, inside the YouTube Quick Start PDF, I've shared 5 beginner niche ideas, free tools to record and edit, and my upload checklist to stay consistent. Now, if you made it this far, then I just want you to remember that if you try and chase 2 rabbits at once, you will catch none. Meaning, from this entire list of side hustles, just pick one and go all in for the next 6 to 12 months. That's how you will see real results. In the meantime, go check out this video to learn how to start an Amazon FBA business under 15 minutes.